Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ngayon po ay May 19, 2023, Friday. At mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa the stock market today. Special news po natin, ang BSP rate pause. Hindi po hike, pause. Bago po na lahat, ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review o may mga tanong tungkol sa Philippine stock market, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon. Again, to my cousin Marie, we're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis, ibabahagi ko sa iyo ilang sandali ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, ika-19 ng Mayo, dito po lamang sa the stock market today. Ang ating main news ay galing po ng Business World. BSP makes prudent pause from hikes, pero headlines po muna tayo. CAB lowers fuel surges for flights in June. ACEN to top 8 billion credit lines. And those are the two main news. And meron po tayong main news natin ay summary from the Daily Digest of BDO. The BSP has decided to take a pause in its monetary policy tightening after raising policy rates by a cumulative 425 basis points since May and signaled the key rate will remain unchanged at 6.25% in the next 2 to 3 meetings. Ito po yung reverse repurchase ng BSP, no? 6.25, yan po yung benchmark po natin. The BSP decision comes after inflation slowed in April for a third month in a row and as economic growth showed signs of moderation. Inflation is also projected to settle lower at 5.5% in 2023 and drop further to 2.8% in 2024, which falls within the target range of 2 to 4%. Meanwhile, Finance Secretary Jokno said the government is aiming to pour in at least 1.2 trillion worth of infrastructure projects in Mindanao over the course of the Marcos administration. This includes the Mindanao Railway, Samar Island Davao City Connector, Cagayan de Oro Coastal Road, Davao City Expressway, and preparations for the new Zamboanga Airport, Bukidnon Airport, and Siargao-Sayac Airport. So yan po ang ating main news. Pagkatapos naman, meron po tayong bagong research dito, NIKL Asia, and there is a long-term outlook remains intact. The first quarter results are within expectation. Shipments to pick up, but nickel price outlook remains soft, meaning hindi po aakyat, within sideways lang po ang galaw niya. Robust power segment on higher volumes and spot prices maintained by with a target price of 830. So the closing price of 599 yesterday, or 36.8% upside. Next we have FGEN, value play in power, LNG execution to sustain growth. Profit surge 54% in the first quarter ahead of estimates. EDC and San Gabriel lead generation performance. LNG project on track for commercial operations in the fourth quarter 23. There is a maintained buy and an increase in the target price to 26 pesos from 23.10, and with a closing price yesterday of 19.94, there is a 30.4% upside. So yan po ang ating mga balita, and let's take a look at the index. Ngayon po ay 10:48 ng umaga, nasa 6690.90, up 62.26%. Ito po ay dahil sa news na hindi po magtataas ng rate ang BSP. Yan po ang effect sa stock market. Umaakyat po ang ating index at marami pong stocks ang umaakyat tulad po ng BDO, number 1. Number 2 is Metro Pacific, nasa 4.49. Number 3 is Ayala Corporation. Number 4 is BPI. Number 5 is JFC. Yan po ang ating mga top and most active stocks. Meantime, stay tuned as we will be back as the market closes, so don't go away. Okay, we're back, and the index climbed 35.91 points. Maliit lang po, no? Nasa 66, 64.65, up 0.54%. Market activity, 84 companies declined, 84 din ang umabante, 85 or 65 ang hindi nagbago. All-share index 0.39% down. Sectoral indices, dalawa lamang ang bumaba. Ito po ang industrials at services, pero almost flat to, no? Ang tumaas ay financials, holding companies, mining, and properties. So let's check the stocks which figured out in our news kanina. So tignan po natin si ACEN, NIKL, FGEN, and then the most active stock is BDO. And tignan na rin natin si Metro Pacific, si MPI. So umpisa na po natin kay ACEN. Si ACEN ay umakyat 5 centavos, 0.82%, pero bearish pa rin po siya. But in the short term, ito ay umaakyat. So, in general, pababa pa rin po siya, no? But there is a fourth green candlestick, but this is a very short green candlestick. Support is at 593, resistance. Let's take MO100 at 6.48. Next, we have NIKL. Si NIKL, naku, bearish talaga si NIKL. At it touched the oversold level on noong May 17, nasa 29.96. And yung indicators po natin, nasa taas, nandito po siya. So, yung news po natin kanina kay NIKL was that there is a buy rating and implied upside is 38.6. Pero, ang pinaka-support po niya, below support eh. So, ang pinaka-support niya dati ay nandito sa 629. Support na rin ito. Yeah. Ito yung support level niya. Nasa 584 po ang pinaka-support level ni NIKL. Then, FGEN dapat tumataas ito. Oh, yan. Ang ganda. But, nako-consolidate lang po ito dahil maganda po yung financials niya. At meron po siyang dividendo dito na 40 centavos or a cash dividend yield of 2.01%. Ang pinaka-support po niya na dating resistance nandito po sa 1863, pero ang pinaka-next resistance po niya, I think nagawa ko na po to before, mataas eh, nasa 27 po siya, pero lagyan po natin ng 1 day, nandito somewhere here in this level, nasa 25-24 more or less. Yan po, 24.87 po ang pinaka next resistance level niya. Overbought na po ang stock. Maganda po ang kanyang fundamentals dahil nag-increase po ng target price si BDO Securities to 26 pesos with an implied upside of 30.4%. Tapos naman, the most active stock is BDO. Umaakyat si BDO after a dip. Support po niya nandito eh. Ayan. Nasa 135.20. Umakyat po siya ngayon ng bahagya. because of the news na maganda, no? Nag-hold ang rates ang BSP. So, tingnan po natin ang resistance. Let's do a 1-week chart. Mukhang ito na po ang pinakamataas niya eh. Yan po, no? Nasa 139 actually. Pero, the 52-week high is 145. So, ang mapaplat ko lang po is the support, no? Yan po. Yan. And then, by the way, BDO is a good stock, ano? And you can never go wrong with the biggest bank in the Philippines. And professionally managed po yan. Finally, si MPI. Yan, umakyat po siya, 4.47. Pero, ano pa rin siya? Consolidation mode, ano? Until ma-finalize po kung magkano po ang tender offer niya. Nasa 463 po ang pinaka-initial. But it's still within this level. Sana po ay umakyat because the fundamentals per BDO SEC, kay BDO, kay Metro Pacific, ay 560 po ang fundamental price. Dapat umakyat po siya in that vicinity. So, the support is still here and the resistance 434. Resistance nandito po sa 553. So, narrow po ang support and resistance niya. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Ika-19 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chadora. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.